So I'm on my way to go get this goddamn parrot. I already damn near got scammed for an African gray, and we know how much African grays cost. So now I am in LA and I'm looking for a yellowhead Amazon. And baby, why nobody ain't...
At the next light, turn right.
Damn, Siri, can I make my video? But why nobody tell me that yellowhead Amazon parrots are high? God damn! And then, y'all, I went in. If I could only tell y'all how many stores I went into to figure out, like, okay, who catching my vibe? Which one? Which one of y'all? Child, they all are nibblers. So I decided that I'm gonna go with this yellowhead 5-month bird, and I'm finna train it and make it talk.
At the light, turn right.
What you say, love?
I said I'm not.
You're not afraid?
Yeah.
June, are you?
No.
Tell this little boy to be quiet, because I'm sick of his little farty, shitty ass.
Could you be Abraham Lincoln if you
Bye.
let's go.
We are excited, huh, love? Alright. So here is our parrot, and he's coming home with us. It is a yellow nape. It's a baby still. And yes, so we searched what type of music birds like. Well, parrots. And we do know that double-headed yellow Amazon parrots like opera. But my daughter did some research and they like pop music. So when I played this song, Amiri started dancing. We're gonna change the song and put on something else. You gotta trust me. I won't harm you. But you gotta come on. Come on. Damn.
Can I pet him? Can I pet him? Can I pet him? He's just like on the head or the back.
You can pet him, but watch this. Amiri, it's okay. Yes, it is. It's okay. No. 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 Amiri.
It's not a horrible sign.
Okay, I'm gonna have to get all this up. It's okay. Yeah, that's mommy. It's mommy.
Yeah.
It's mommy. It's mommy. Go ahead.
I know exactly what's
Come on.
going on. You need that science, man.
Come on, Mary. Let's go. Come on. Come on. You want to come with food? You gotta come with me.
Fly.
No, I need him. Come on.
I want to see him fly.
Come on. Come on. Let's go. No, come on. Come on. Look at him. We gotta go. Let's go in the cage. Come on. Come on. Let's go. We have to go. Because then I gotta clean your mess up. So come on. No, come on. I gotta clean your mess up.
I don't think he wants to go nowhere.
Come on. I'm gonna get him. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Uh-oh. My bad. You tried, but you... Come on. Come on, Mary. Let's go. No, come on. Come on. Come on, Mary. Yes, come on.
Oh, you could just make him go on a
Let's
cauliflower.
go. No. Mary. You can't. No. Come on. Come on. You're gonna have to trust me, Bucko. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Yes. Yes. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on.
Why is one of his feathers rainbow?
He's shedding. This is the process of shedding. Let's go. It's okay. Mommy got you.
So they turn rainbow?
So I finally got a Mary in my hands. A Mary is bit me a lot of times until I could get comfortable. But a Mary, you have to be no. You have to be nice to people. Mommy said you have to be nice, okay? Yeah. All right, y'all. So this is the enclosure. And I'm finna put Mr. Amiri back. Go. Doing all that. Go. Now, when you down here talking to your damn self, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it when you in here talking to yourself. Move that claw. Move your claw.